Zoran's Cosmic Compass, Finding Your Way. I am Zoran, an ancient dragon whose wings have swept across the skies for countless millennia. With every flight, I have seen the stars weave their patterns across the heavens, stories that span generations and cultures. They are not just lights in the sky, they are the threads of a grand cosmic tapestry, guiding all who seek to understand their place in the universe. Tonight, I invite you to join me on a journey of discovery, one that will lead you to understand the constellations, their myths, and the astronomical truths they carry within them. The constellations, navigating the heavens. As I soar through the boundless night sky, I see the constellations not merely as clusters of stars, but as celestial guides, each one a beacon that points toward deeper truths. To many ancient civilizations, these groupings were more than just astronomical phenomena. They were vital markers for navigation and spiritual understanding. The Greeks, with their grand myths, saw the constellations as the forms of gods, heroes, and mythical creatures. Orion, the hunter, is one of the most well-known, with his belt of 3 stars shining brightly in the southern sky. The myth of Orion tells of his struggle and eventual ascension into the heavens, but the stars themselves tell a more profound story of light, time, and space, intersecting in the vast cosmic expanse. But how can we truly understand the constellations? To unlock their wisdom, we must see them not just with the eyes of the ancient mythmakers, but with the heart of the scientist as well. This is where the work of Nassim Haramein, the physicist and visionary, becomes invaluable. Haramein's theories on the interconnectedness of space and the geometry of the universe provide a framework for understanding how these constellations are not just points in the sky, but part of an interconnected cosmic web, where every star and galaxy are part of a greater whole. Haramein's concept of space as a unified field resonates deeply with the ancient mythologies, where the stars were seen as divine threads connecting the earthly and the cosmic. The constellations, in this view, are not just ancient symbols, they are the signatures of the fundamental energy and geometry of the universe. Myths and mathematical truths. As you explore the sky and learn the stories of the stars, you will see that the myths of constellations often carry with them profound mathematical and astronomical truths. Take, for example, the story of the Big Dipper, part of the Ursa Major constellation. This familiar shape of 7 stars has guided countless travelers through history. The stars of the Big Dipper serve as a pointer to the North Star, Polaris, which has been a constant guide for navigation in the Northern Hemisphere. But the stars of the Big Dipper are more than just navigational tools. They also reveal the movement of the stars themselves. Over the course of thousands of years, the stars in the Big Dipper slowly shift, tracing the circular motion of the sky around the North Polar, movement known as precession. This discovery, made by astronomers and mathematicians over centuries, is not just a fact of science, but a key to understanding the changing patterns of the heavens. Nassim Haramein's theory of the cosmic vacuum and the fractal nature of space helps to explain why these constellations shift and evolve over time. The universe, Haramein posits, is a dynamic system that operates at multiple scales, from the quantum level to the cosmological. The movement of stars in constellations, like the Big Dipper, can be seen as part of a larger fractal pattern, where the same geometric principles that govern the smallest particles also govern the largest structures in the cosmos. This idea of interconnectedness is deeply embedded in the mythological traditions of many cultures. In Egyptian mythology, the stars of Orion were associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife and rebirth. The stars of the constellation represented both the physical and spiritual journeys of the soul. The Egyptians understood that the cosmos and the self were interwoven, and their sky maps reflected this deep awareness of cosmic interconnectedness. A cosmic compass, using the stars to navigate life. The constellations are not just tools for navigating the physical world. They are also cosmic compasses, guiding us on our personal journeys through life. Just as the stars have helped sailors cross vast oceans, they can also help us navigate the complexities of our inner worlds. The ancient Greeks saw the stars as symbols of human qualities and destinies, a belief that resonates with the study of astrology, which maps the positions of the stars to human experiences. Haramain's theories suggest that the geometry of the universe, including the distribution of stars and galaxies, forms a unified field of information. Each constellation, each star, can be seen as a reflection of deeper principles of the universe, encoded in the fabric of space itself. By studying these cosmic maps, we can gain insight into the structure of our own lives and our place in the universe. The zodiac, for example, is a celestial circle that maps the path of the sun through the sky, linking the constellations to the cycles of time. Each sign of the zodiac carries with it certain qualities and influences, reflecting the energetic imprint of the stars at the moment of one's birth. Just as a sailor would use the stars to find their way across the oceans, we can use the wisdom of the constellations to find our way through life's challenges and opportunities. The infinite web, constellations as mirrors. As I look upon the stars, I am reminded of their eternal dance, a movement that reflects the greater cosmic dance. The constellations are not fixed, they are constantly changing, as the galaxies themselves spiral and evolve. This is a reflection of the deeper truth of the universe. Everything is connected, everything is in motion, and every part of the cosmos mirrors every other part. Through Haramain's work, we come to understand that the universe is a web of energy, with every star, every planet, and every galaxy part of a larger, interconnected whole. This concept of the universe as a dynamic, interconnected system is not only a scientific breakthrough, but also a spiritual insight that echoes the ancient wisdom of the stars. The constellations, with their ancient myths and mathematical truths, are symbols of this interconnectedness, offering us a cosmic compass to guide us through life. As you stand beneath the vast sky, let the stars be your guide. Understand that the constellations are not just distant lights, but part of a unified, cosmic field that connects all things. Through this understanding, you can find your own way in the universe, just as ancient sailors and astronomers once did. The sky is not just above you, it is within you, a map to the very heart of the cosmos.